At kung may nobyo ka na ba, sana na may wala. Di mo ko masisising sumusulya palagi sa iyong mga matang okay ganda o binibini. O ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pagpakawalan. Alam mo bang pag naging tayo, hinding-hindi na kita bibitawan. Aalagaan at di papabayaan, pagkat ikaw sa'kin ay prinsesa. Sana may pag-asa, pag-ibig ko'y aking sinulat at ikaw ang pamagat. Sana naman
Yes? I've done something. What? I'm in love with someone else. Sorry. It's okay. I understand. Thank you.
mapansin, himig nitong damdamin na walang iba pang hinihiling kundi ikaw ay maging akin. O ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pang pagkawalan. Alam mo bang pag naging tayo, hinding-hindi na kita bibitawan. Aalagaan at di papabayaan, pagkat ikaw sa'kin ay prinsesa. Di ako naglalaro, di ako nagbibiro. Pagbigyan mo ng sinta nang sa'yo napakita.
Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginhawa nating pag-ibig, upang di magkalayo kailanman pagkatulad mo.
I want to marry Thea. I will marry Thea.
Oh, Dodong, how's your day? How's the farm?
So far, so good. Itay, I want to marry Thea. I will marry Thea. I asked her last night and she said yes. I want to marry Thea.
But, Dodong, you are too young to get married.
I'm already 17. I love Thea. I love her. I want to marry Thea.
You tell your inay about this.
Tell her father.
Wait. What are you going to tell me?
Your son wants to get married already.
What? But aren't you a too young man to get married at this age?
I'm already 17. I know what to do.
Okay. If that's your decision, we support it.
Yeah, I agree with your father's decision.
For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain.
Thea, you take Dodong to be your lawful husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and health, till death do you part.
I do.
You may now kiss the bride.
And then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life why. Now I do, 'cause God gave me you.
Dodong,
Yes, Itay.
it's a boy.
Can I see?
Yes, sure.
Hello, Tatay!
Hello, hello. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. You should finish your study first. Don't get married yet. You will not follow my footsteps. You will make your own path. Okay?
Okay, yes, Father, I understand. Father, I would like to tell you something. This is Tona, my girlfriend.
Son, why did you disobey me? You're too young to get married.
I love Tona. I want to marry her.
Must be married, son.
Yes, because I love her and I already asked her a while ago and she said yes.
I'm giving my best to you to get married.
I love Tona. Thanks, Father.
Only if I can turn back time. I didn't marry Taeyang first. I should listen and follow to my parents.